how to log into Blackboard and navigate a course at UHart. To log into Blackboard at UHart, you can head on over to www.hartford.edu. We recommend using the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox web browsers to access Blackboard at UHart. At the top of the web page, click My UHart. Next, click Blackboard. Now we are at the Blackboard login screen. Enter your username and password to log into Blackboard. If you're unsure of your login information, you can contact our IT team who will be happy to help. You can reach the IT team at 860-768-4357. Once logged in, you will be brought to the activity stream, where you can view various announcements from the institution, as well as due dates for assignments, grades, and so on. To access your course, on the left side bar, click Courses. By default, Blackboard shows you your courses in list view. If you would like to change your view from list view to card view, click the card or list icons as shown in this image, where you can toggle between list view or card view. We have changed the view to card view now. To enter your course, click the course. If the course is not yet open to students, the course will show as private, and you will not be able to enter the course. Your instructor will open the course for all students when the course is ready. Now we can see the course is no longer private, and you can click the course to enter the course. You are now in your course. In the middle of the page, you will find the various content modules available to you. Feel free to check out the Get Started Here module if your instructor has this module active. To view a content module, simply click the name of the module. In this example, we clicked the Get Started Here module, which opened up to all the content in that module. The Get Started Here module is a great place to learn about your instructor, your course outcomes, the syllabus, as well as library resources and academic policies. To close a module, simply click the name of the module again and the module will collapse. To view your weekly content, click the title of the weekly module to view your weekly content and assignments. In this example, we can see the instructor has laid out the course by giving the students an overview of what to do for the week, as well as the outcomes the student will meet once the weekly unit is complete. We can also see that we have a page that tells the students what lecture materials they will be required to view. In this example, the lecture materials can be found in a page called Read, Watch, Listen. Lastly, under the Read, Watch, Listen page, we can see all the assignments we need to complete for this weekly unit. In this example, we have 2 discussion boards we need to complete, an introductions discussion board and a weekly discussion for the week 1 unit. We also have an assignment we need to complete in this example, which is named Week 1 Assignment. To view any items in this module, simply click the item to view. By clicking the Week 1 Overview, Outcomes, and Summary of Activities page, the instructor has given us a quick overview of what to expect for the week. By clicking the Week 1 Read, Watch, Listen page, we can see the instructor has outlined all of the lecture material we need to review for the week. Simply click the links and videos to view your learning content for the week. Clicking on the Week 1 discussion allows us to see the discussion prompt. Here, we create our discussion post and reply to our classmates or instructor. As shown in this example, pressing the little paperclip icon in the content editor allows us to upload images or other files. In this example, the user uploaded an image of their cat. When you are done writing your post, click the Respond button at the bottom of the page to make your post. As our example student clicked Post, we can now see the post the student just made. To reply to a post, click the Reply button at the bottom of the post as shown in this example. We also have an assignment in the Week 1 module. To view the assignment, click the assignment name. The Assignment Details tab will appear on the right side. To view the full assignment details, click the View Assessment button at the bottom of the page as shown in this example. We are then brought to the assignment directions and submission page. In this example, the student is expected to write a 2-page APA formatted paper and then submit the paper. To submit a document for grading, click the submission box as shown in this example. Click the Attachment Paperclip button to upload an attachment. You'll need to navigate to the file on your computer and then attach. Now, you will see the assignment has been uploaded, but you still haven't submitted it. You'll need to click the Save button to save the upload so you can submit it. At the bottom of the page, once you have clicked Save, click the Submit button to submit the assignment for grading. You have now successfully submitted your assignment. You will be prompted with a submission receipt which you can choose to download. You will also receive a submission receipt via email to your University of Hartford email address. In this example, we can see the successful submission receipt prompt, letting the student know the assignment was submitted successfully. Once you have submitted an assignment, you will be brought back to the home page in Blackboard. At the top of the home page, you will have links to your calendar, discussions, gradebook, and messages. Please note, we don't suggest using the messaging feature as many people forget to check their messages on Blackboard. If you need to reach out to a classmate or your instructor, feel free to email them using your University of Hartford email address. On the left-hand side navigation bar, you will see various links such as announcements. This video tutorial will not cover all of those links, but the most important link on the left-hand side is your course announcements page. Announcements communicate important, time-sensitive information. Your instructors can use announcements to share important information with you, such as reminders about course events and due dates. New course announcements appear immediately when you enter a course. To view announcements in your course, click the announcements link on the left-hand side navigation bar near the bottom, as shown in this example. Also, please note, be sure to check for announcements often and regularly to ensure you are up to date with information your instructor is announcing for your course. Clicking the announcements link will bring you to the announcements page. To view each announcement in entirety, simply click the announcement, which will open the announcement in full screen. Back on our home page, on top, we can click Calendar. The calendar allows you to view assignment due dates and other important activities that your instructor may list on this calendar. You can also click the Discussions link. You can use the Discussions link as a shortcut to view all of your discussion boards in your course that are available to you. Please note, sometimes instructors have discussion boards locked until the week they are due, so not all discussions may populate here in the first week of the course. This top link is also where the gradebook is located. Gradebook is where all of your grades for your assignments will be posted by your instructor. If your instructor leaves you any feedback for any of your graded assignments, simply click the purple feedback button to view the feedback your instructor left you. Here, we can see the feedback left to us by the instructor. On the left side of the screen is the assignment details. On the right side is the feedback from your instructor as well as your grade. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.